With me today, I have the Grapnel Anchor Kit. I like this anchor kit because it's very compact, it's light, and it gets the job done. It's great on your canoes, your kayaks, your PWCs because of how small and easy it is to store, yet big enough to hold. Some of the advantages, and we'll talk about what you're getting inside. Comes in this nice Seachoice bag, keeps everything very well organized for you. So what we got here is a 3.5 pound grapnel anchor that when deployed opens up in 4 prongs like that, and this base comes down here and locks it in place. That way it stays open, as you can see, right, when it's underwater. Very simple to collapse. You would just slide back up the retainer, fold in the claws, and this piece up here slides right back over them, and even locks to avoid the anchor from opening up in case it wasn't in the bag. It stays together really nice. It's not going to open, or one of those edges going to poke you or anything. 25 feet of line. This line floats, which is handy. People can see your line as they're walking around going from boat to boat, and also the same reason why we include a buoy. So you want to use this buoy as kind of an alert to someone who's walking around. Hey, don't step there, or don't drive your boat there because my anchor is right over it. So that's easy. Helps you find your anchor, and then it includes a stainless steel shackle clip. So you just snap it onto whatever kayak, canoe, boat you have, and toss this thing overboard. Pretty simple, very small, and that's the main feature. It's so compact. It fits in this bag, and 3.5 pounds. It's really not going to slow you down much.